Yeah, it's like 6 o'clock. I want to make some brats here shortly. I hope I can stay awake to be able to see the stars tonight. I usually like around 9:30 I'm like tired. And that's when the sun sets here in the Pacific Northwest. So I'm gonna be able to look at the stars tonight and like go over there where it's like open, more open. I won't be able to record. My camera on my phone sucks recording at night, so I wish I had better equipment. That's down the road. That's another thing. If I'm gonna do this YouTube video stuff, I want like a good camera. You know, like a good laptop. I'm doing all this on my phone. So if I had all the right equipment and all the cool like software, I can make awesome videos. I'm thinking I can make awesome ones. Is there a fly on my glasses? Is there a buggy right there? A buggy. He's on my arm. A lot of bugs. It's like it's weird because the bugs look like a whole bunch of them would come at once and they're bugging you for like a while and then they stop coming and they're gone for like a while and then they come back and bug you for like a while. It's like, what the hell? I don't get it. Oh, there's a fly on my screen right there. Where my finger is on my screen. You can't see it. There's a fly, one of those biting flies, right on top of my finger right now. Flicked him. Now he's attacking. Ah! Awesome, guys. I want to show you something. I had these cool little lights that I bought from Amazon. How they look like fire. Pretty cool. And I got like, it came in a 4-pack. It's pretty cool. It's those lights that go small and then they get bigger and then it can become a light, and then if you do it again, pull it, then it's the flame. Pretty cool. I don't understand though. Each one in the box is a different color. Like that's a blue one. There's a black one. Oh, that's the brand. I think that's gray. Yeah. And then I have a brown one. It's not working right now. But this is my little setup for tonight. I was thinking about bringing out my portable fireplace, but it's too warm out right now. It's like 9 o'clock at night. No, 8 o'clock. And it's still warm out. But look at that little setup. Isn't that cool? I want to show you guys these. Oh, they're kind of gone away. But there's these cool clouds. Sunset clouds. Aren't they cool? They were more over top, but I think those are cool clouds. Pretty cool. Well, it's the morning time. Thursday morning. It's like 8 and 7:30 around there. Oh man. I'm tired. I slept through most of the night. Just got really tired. Like, I would wake up and then I would think about things and then, yeah. Let's go where the heat is. It's kind of chilly too this morning. I'm gonna go where the heat. It's always warm over here. I didn't hear much nature. I just saw a bird fly by. That reminded me. I was expecting to hear a lot of birds and nature. I didn't really hear much. I'm surprised. Should have it this way. The sun's coming from over there. The river looks really cool. Get down here. Isn't that cool? It's probably hella bright for you guys. The sun's right there. Blue sky. It's gonna be another warm day. And get back to camp. I gotta make breakfast, pack up, and leave. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm thinking about checking out this one area and let my drone go for one more time, but we'll see. Get back to camp. There is a trail to get to that area. But I like walking on this path along the river. There's the camp. Alright guys. Alright. Well, I'm gonna make some breakfast and pack up and head out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If this is the end of the video, I want to thank you guys for watching it. I don't know if it's going to be a 2-part series or a 1-part series. I'm not sure yet. Or 3. But hopefully you enjoyed my little camping trip. Kind of lonely. But this is the first time I've camped alone. Usually I'm camping with a friend or friends. But no one wanted to come out. Or couldn't come out, I should say. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this. And I'll catch you later. Well, I decided to go to this one area that I've been to before. I think I did a video up here. It was cloudy though last time I came. This is the area that has like the cool like tree over there. There's a tree with the cool ledge that you can look way down. I did drone shots here. I lost my drone up there in the mountains one time. I think that was the last video. I'm not sure. But it's like 81 right now. It's warm. Just getting my car up here, it was like about to overheat. I don't know what's going on with my car. So that's why the hood's up, letting it breathe, figuring out why it's overheating. I'm not sure why. I have to look into that. I might need a new thermostat. That's gonna suck. I think they're pretty easy to fix, but I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna sit here and relax for a bit, let my car cool down before I head back down. It's a beautiful view. You want to see it? This is what I'm looking at. Isn't that cool? Mountains over there. I think the mountains are cool over there. Those are cool mountains. They still have snow. Ugh. Sweating. And those mountains are cool too. Pretty cool. Yeah, my car is like overheating, so let it cool down. Even though it's in the sun. I wanted to have my awning so I can like sit and relax for a bit under my awning and look at this view. It's pretty cool. I was thinking about doing my drone, but I think it's too warm. I don't want my drone to overheat either. I don't know how much heat the drone can take, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, relax, enjoy myself, ponder life, choices. Then I'll probably head back down to my place. Got a lot of stuff I got to do to this car. I got to figure out why it's overheating. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. This is probably going to be it for sure. And yeah, till next time.